उड़ो ऊंचा।
This is a monkey. His name is Bunty. He is hiding something in his bare hands that starts with a B. Can you guess what is he hiding? That also starts with a B. Let me give you a hint. He is hiding something that he loves to eat. I love to eat that too. Yes, a bunch of bananas. B. Bunty. B. Bear. B. Bunch. B. Bananas. Now it's story time. Boo is a small bear. He was playing with his balloon when he heard a strange sound. Boo followed the sound until he found a small bee. It was making a buzzing sound. The bee gave him some honey. Boo loved the bee and they become very friends. B. Boo. B. Balloon. B. Bee. B. Buzzing.
Like, share and subscribe.